last videos in December, but I actually filmed all of those in quarantine. So I hope this isn't blurry. This is my first time filming since like March or April. But I really wanted to film this because I don't know if I told you guys, I got rid of Birchbox and Ipsy a while ago. They were super fun for a couple of years. I just kind of got bored of getting the same thing. So I've been wanting to get FabFitFun for a while, but it's just like pretty pricey. But I feel like it's worth it. So with my Christmas money, I finally went ahead and splurged a little and got it. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. So here is the box. They send you like a large box. And if you get the yearly subscription, you can do like customizations and stuff, so that's what I did. I've already taken a couple things out, the makeup products, so I'll go ahead and show you this first because I'm actually wearing them. The first thing I got was the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice eyeshadow palette. It's like a super pretty palette, like super neutral colors, things that I definitely will use. And then the other thing I have on is the Aesthetica liquid eyeliner in black. So these I wanted to use this morning, so I have opened this. I wasn't very patient waiting to film, but I wanted to go ahead and do that. The next thing in here that I got is this little wallet. It's just a small little wallet. I'm sorry if you hear things banging on the door. That's my cats. I have the door closed. So it's just this cute little leather wallet. I'm not sure that all of my stuff would actually fit in here, but I might try it just to see because I have been wanting a smaller wallet. But my current wallet is like this big, and this is pretty tiny, so we'll see. Then there's just like a bunch of little things in here. One of these has a gift for you, and it's got like little scratch off for like a wine thing and just stuff like that in here. They also threw in a little Kind thin bar, dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. So honestly, I might take that for lunch today. Not for my lunch, but I might bring it with me in my lunchbox. There's like a FabFitFun magazine in here, so it's got like the different products and stuff like that in here. It actually has like makeup looks that you can do, and it tells you about some of the things that they've given you in here. So that's pretty cool. I like that because then I can see like brands and stuff that are on there. So like the little wallet, for example, 6C, it's below the belt croc card case. This faux croc case features convenient slots for your ID and credit cards. And then another thing that I got in here, 7A, find it, is the Daily Concepts Facial Dry Brush. Use the dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. So this one I haven't opened yet. I did not use this one today. But I'm very interested because I've never used something like this. Now that I'm showing you guys, I feel like I can just rip into the boxes. And so it's just this like little small brush. It feels pretty soft. So I'm excited to just kind of try this and see what it does. It seems like an easy thing to add to my routine. So I've got that there. I don't know how this was in. The next thing I have in here are these super thick socks. So they're the Muck Lux socks, and they just look like so soft. Ooh, they even have like the little grippy things on the bottom so I won't fall on our wood floors, which is great, and they have these cute little balls on them. So these are awesome. They feel super fluffy. They've got like fleece inside, so that's like great. One of the things there's a sticker, HelloFresh thingy that comes in a lot of things. Then this is one of my picks. I got this Impressions Vanity Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror. So this looked really cool, and it was one of the customization options. And I have a vanity mirror, but it never hurts to like have more different places in the house. So this seems super cool. So it goes like that. You guys can probably like see everything. Sorry about how messy that looks. Came with batteries, which is awesome. So let's pop these in. If I can like get it off here. Let me see if I can open these. I have like no nails. Bend it. I'm curious how long these batteries will last because I feel like when they come with things, they like die faster. Okay. That's like super cool. I don't want to show you guys everything, but it like lights up around like the edges and stuff, and like I love that. And it's like just a little touch thing. So that's gonna get like a ton of use from me. And it's also got this, so I don't know if you can like charge it or why does it have a USB cable? Tilts up and down to capture the perfect angle. It's got a dimmer switch. Simply tap the touch sensitive switch to turn the lights on or hold it down to adjust the brightness, so that's cool. Long lasting daylight LEDs. Power up through USB or use batteries for portable operation. So you can power this with the USB, but I feel like you have to have it next to your laptop. So I feel like that's something I would only use if I'm like filming or something. Moving on before my camera cuts out, I also got these cutting boards. So this is something I like about this box is it's like bigger items. It's not all like makeup because as much as I love makeup, I'm also older. So it doesn't hurt to like have house products. So it's just got all these cool cutting boards. They have like little symbols for like which thing they're for. These seem sturdier than the ones that I already have. So that's really cool. The ones that I have are from Amazon, pretty cheap. So I like that these seem like they're a lot more sturdy. The ones I have are great, but it doesn't hurt to have sturdier ones. And this is the other thing. These are dishwasher safe, so that's great. These are wine glasses. So this is one of the customization options, and I kind of asked Andrew, I was just like, hey, like, would you use these? And he was like, yeah. So I was just like, okay, like, let's get those. So this is what they look like. They've got this cool, like, tilt to them, and they're just, like, little glasses, and I just think they're super cute, and they're something cool to, like, add to, like, our stuff, because we don't have a lot of, like, nice stuff like this. So, yeah, that is the stuff I got this time. Yeah, that is everything. I just love that there's like bigger items in this box, and like it's kind of pricey, but like I kind of feel like it's worth it because you get like such good quality items. And I'm like super excited to see what's in the next 3 boxes, because this is the winter box that I started with, and there's going to be a spring, a fall, or spring, a summer, and a fall box. So I'm really interested to see what's in them. And if I like this, I'm hoping I can continue it, because like this is some super cool stuff that I'm going to get to play with. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing like all the stuff I got. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know if you guys have tried this or if you want to try this. And yeah, I hope you guys have like a really nice day, and I hope you guys have an awesome year. Bye guys!